Good morning to all. Welcome to Maths Online Classroom on Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Students,
we are going to discuss some examples based on probability. Let's watch the video carefully. If P of event E is equal to 0.47, then find P of not E. So listen, event E and not E, both are complementary events. Okay, both are complementary events. Complementary means opposite to each other. So P of the event E is given. P of E is 0.47. So P of not E, that is P of complement of the event E, denoted by E complement, is obtained by total probability 1 minus probability of E. Okay. So 1 minus P of E, probability of E is 0.47. 0.47 is equal to 1 minus 0.47 is equal to 0.53. So probability of not E is equal to 0.53. Okay. Listen, this is very important one. P of complement event is equal to 1 minus P of E. Next question. The probability of guessing the correct answer to a certain question is x by 2. If probability of not guessing the correct answer is 2 by 3, then find x. Listen, in the question it is given that probability of guessing the correct answer is equal to x by 2 and probability of not guessing the correct answer is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so here it is guessing and not guessing. Suppose guessing the correct answer is an event E. So what is not guessing the correct answer? So it is the complement of the event E, that is E complement. So P of E is x by 2, that is P of guessing the answer is x by 2, so that P of E complement is equal to 2 by 3. Not guessing the correct answer is equal to 2 by 3. So listen, P of E and P of E complement is given. So by heart the result, P of E plus P of E complement is equal to total probability 1, or P of E equal to 1 minus P of E complement, or P of E complement is equal to 1 minus P of E. So these are the parts of this or byproducts of this result. So total probability is always 1. Probability of an event and probability of its complement event. So x by 2 plus 2 by 3 gives 1. We need to find x. So x by 2 becomes 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 on multiplication, cross multiplication, we can see that 3 minus 2 by 1, that is 3 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. So x by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So what is 3x? Again cross multiplication. 3x equal to 2 or x equal to 2 by 3. Okay, x equal to 2 by 3. Next one, two coins are tossed 1000 times and the outcomes are recorded as below. Based on this information, find the probability for at most one head. Listen the question. Two coins are tossed 1000 times. Okay, 1000 times we toss two coins and two head appears 200 times, one head appears 550 times and zero head means both are tails. Okay, tails appear 250 times. So our question is, what is the probability of at most one head? Listen the words at most, at least and exactly. These three words are important words. Please note down. At most, at least, and exactly. At most means maximum. At least means minimum. And exactly means finite. Okay. So here we need to find probability of at most one head means maximum one head. Okay, maximum one head. So two head is not possible to consider because the maximum value is 1. We can consider less than 1 also. Less than 1 means 0 head also. Okay. So P of at most one head is equal to, we can consider P of one head plus P of 0 head. Okay. P of one head and P of 0 head. And P of one head. Listen, one head appears 550 times. So favorable number 550 and total number of trials is 1000. And 0 head obtained 250 times. So favorable number 250, total number 1000. Here denominators are same. So add the numerator 550 plus 250 divided by the same denominator. 550 plus 250 gives 800. 800 by 1000. 800 by 1000 is 8 by 10. That is 0.8. So probability of getting at most one head is equal to 0.8. Listen, suppose we have probability of at most two head. At most means maximum. So in this case we can consider two head, one head, then 0 head. Okay. P of at least two head. Meaning is that minimum we need two head. Minimum two head. So it is not possible to consider one head, two head, 0 head, because minimum two head means then it is not possible to consider any values less than 2. Okay. Now probability of exactly, see the word exactly one head means we can consider only one head. Exactly. Exactly two head means we can consider only two head. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. So, note down the terms at most, at least and exactly. Okay. So, dear students, that's about the chapter probability.
All the exercise questions as well as examples are too important. So write and study. Once again, thank you all. Have a nice day.